Add a spotlight effect to reveal part of a section as the mouse moves. Add a container and set its size to match the spotlight you want. Open the code panel and paste the CSS from below this video into global CSS. Adjust the transparency of the container. Add the track mouse effect. And that's it. Your section now has a moving spotlight. Just follow the mouse and watch it in action.